on our way to Tijuca rooftop right now. We tried going there last night and it was so busy that we ditched the place and we went to a nearby bar. I mean, that was still amazing, but obviously it's not a rooftop bar, right? So we're gonna go back tonight and hopefully it's not as busy, but it's hard to say because it's a Saturday night.
What are you getting?
This Tijuca rosé. Alright guys, so we waited for over an hour for the spot. It's called J.O. Chula and it's recommended by one of the people back in Vancouver. She said you have to come here, so we're here trying it out. It was really hot outside. We were like dripping sweat, but we ordered our food. I'm going to show you guys everything in a little bit, and yeah, I'm just really excited. They are Michelin starred apparently. 2022, 2023, 2024, so we'll see how good it is. Ooh, I've never tried this before. Koki? Let's try it out.
Yeah, menu's right there.
Yeah. Soft boiled koki for 150 baht. That's what we're trying right now. So, never tried it before. This is the koki. Oh, spicy. Oh, spicy.
Is the Thai spice?
Oh, I need tissue already. This place does not have tissue paper. Oh, the texture is so interesting. It's more chewy. Can't touch anything. My hands are dirty. Good thing Babe's prepared. Thank you. It's good flavor though. Spicy duck. We also got some vegetables because Anton needs some vegetables. Oh my goodness. This looks amazing. So this place is known for their mama noodles and they look so freaking good. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Wow. Oh yeah, not spicy. That's good. This pork is delicious.
It's pork skin, right?
So crunchy. So good. Oh my god, I'm so sweaty. Everybody, so right behind me is the breakfast joint that we just went to. It's called Thai Key. I'll put like obviously the Google Map location information down below so you guys can go check it out. They do like a westernized Thai breakfast and it was actually pretty good. Come early because they get really busy and they close right at noon. So they're only open for a few hours, but honestly, it's worth it. Their milk tea, their Thai milk tea is so delicious, and I ordered this red curry rice with a fluffy egg on top, and that was absolutely delicious. Very heavy for a breakfast item, but it would just hit the spot. So today is gonna be a temple day. We're gonna be hitting up a lot of temples, and obviously I'm gonna be bringing you guys, so stay tuned. So right now we are just packing up because we are switching hotels. The one that we're staying at right now is called Era Hotel, which is right on the strip of like where all the party scene is all at. So at nighttime it gets pretty rowdy. I will do a pro and con video very shortly, so stay tuned for that and talk about my review about this hotel. But today we are switching to a different hotel, which is around a 15-minute walk away from this hotel, but it's not right on the street of where Party Central is. So we're moving to this other hotel. It's a 5-star hotel. It's called Sofitel Bangkok Hotel, and apparently it's really nice there, and the pool is gorgeous, so I can't wait to check that out. Obviously I'm gonna bring you guys along, so stay tuned. We are currently at a Bangkok McDonald's for the very first time. Ordered a lot of cool stuff, and the funny thing is they have a Hello Kitty collaboration right now, so we ordered a couple things off of that menu. Did I order a set? I don't even know. I ordered the Prosperity Pork Burger, a iced milk tea, a McFried chicken, and then a samurai burger and a sweet egg floss pink cream pie. So we'll check it out later and see how it is. Total was 433 baht. So our McDonald's order came. We got some curly fries, and look at this packaging. It's so freaking adorable. I also got this sweet egg flossy pie, also part of the Hello Kitty collection, which is like super cute and super adorable. I also got a milk tea. Wait, where is it? This is mine. I also got a milk tea, and it's in this super cute plastic Hello Kitty cup. It's so adorable. And then I also got a, what is it called? Prosperity Pork Burger. I've never had pork burger in McDonald's before, so I'm actually really excited to try this out. But look at this packaging. It's so cute. And they wrapped it inside. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like. So cute. Hey. Hey everybody, so we just got to our new hotel. This is the Sofitel Bangkok Hotel. They are newly renovated for like the past 2 months. So everything is brand new, and it's so freaking stunning here, guys. Let me show you guys a room tour right now. So once you enter, to the left of the door, let's open this closet up. You will find your closet storage. You got some robes, you got your slippers. To the right of the closet, you have your safe and some drawers. You got a full-size mirror right here. All right, so into the room, this is a king-size bed, which is so freaking stunning. You have a TV right here. My boyfriend, hello.
You have your boyfriend?
Yeah, my boyfriend's just chilling, you know. Wow, this mirror is so pretty right here. So you can do like a fit check right here. Beautiful. And then here, this is our view of Bangkok, which is so stunning. Unobstructed view, which is so beautiful. And then you have like this beautiful blue chair, so you can like lounge there. You have an iPad panel where you can adjust the room temperature, the lights, and all that kind of stuff. You can play Netflix. All your stuff is on the pad. This is our beautiful bed. You have a clear vision of the bathroom. Very, very beautiful. So let's go inside and check it out. Oh my gosh. Can we just talk about this beautiful bathroom first? This is the sink. Hello. This is the tub. Hello. And then this one is the closet that leads to the other side, which I just showed you. And then here is the shower. It's a rain shower, pretty standard, standing shower. And then to the right is the toilet. So it's separated, which is nice. But yeah, this is our room. We're gonna get our day started, so let me show you guys everything else that we do today. Forgot to mention, right underneath the TV, there's actually a lot of stuff. So you have cups right here with a kettle, and then you have like this little mini bar area. Obviously you have to pay for those items, so don't touch it if you don't want to pay. Right here we have a mini fridge. So open this up. Got all the goods, obviously not free as well. The water on the counter, that's free. But other than that, all these are a paid mini bar, so don't touch if you don't want to pay.
Wat Pho.
This is the only temple that we're going to be checking out today because we ran out of time.
Yeah, delay in check-in and it was too hot and we stayed in.
Yeah, and like the Grand Palace closes so early. So yeah, at least we made it to this one. So let's go check out the Reclining Buddha.